What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn. And in today's episode, I will teach you how to fix Roblox getting kicked because of unexpected client behavior. So this one is pretty easy, so let's get it started. First of all, go to your search bar and search for appwiz.cpl. And after that, click enter and it will show you this programs and features windows. And after that, just find the Roblox and you will need to uninstall your Roblox game. And that's it. And after uninstalling your Roblox game, well, you can also uninstall your Roblox by going to percent local app data percent on the search bar and click this folder right here. And it will show you this folder where you can find your Roblox folder. Just scroll down and find it. And right there, you will have the ability to delete your folder. Then after that, just go ahead to the search bar again and search CMD and then open your command prompt settings. And right there, you will need to insert this code right here. Don't worry, it's safe. This code just reset your network adapter, your WinSock adapter. It just the WinSock reset. So it reverts the WinSock 32DLL file back to its default settings and giving your softwares a fresh start at connecting to the IP traffic. And that's it. After you input the codes, just wait until it's finished prompting and you're ready to go. Then what you can do next is go to your Google, then reinstall your Roblox again. And after reinstalling your Roblox, make sure to run it as administrator and just play a random Roblox game. And as you can see, when it opens, it will work fine and you will not get kicked again and your client is fine. And that's it. That's how you do it. And also, that's it for today's episode. If you want more to the channel, please like this video, click the notification bell. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.